everyone, my name is Sun. Today we will practice saying a few consonant sounds. The sound S and the sound Okay. The first the sound think, thinks, thick, thunder, Thursday, think. Okay. In the middle of words, anything, Batman, athletic, math words. Okay. At the end of words, bat, fast, nice, sauce, beneath. Okay. Practice saying the following to a twister. I think I thought the thought, but I thought is not the thought that I thought. Okay. The sound z, beginning. Okay. Z, that, they, them, those, there, this, disease. Okay. Middle works. Clothing, another, leisure, where's, mother, northern. Okay. At the end of words, smooth, based, breathe. Okay. Practice saying the following your list. This is the best one. Which computer should I get? Look at this one. I think this is the best one. Really? But that one over there looks nice too. Yes, but I think this one better. This is the best one. Are you sure? Yes, this is the best one. Okay, I'll buy it. Okay. Next, the sound and the sound following words at the beginning. China, chickenette, chuck, cherry, challenge, German, chuck, cheesy. Okay. In the middle of words, keychains, peach, nature, lunchbox, teacher, beach ball, rechuck, fortune. Okay. At the end of work, detach, march, couch, teach, 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 patch, patch, apart, apart, porch, porch, ran, rant, rant. Okay, practice saying the following sentences. Chop chop children, it's Jerry's kitchen adventure. Today Chuck will be teaching future champions cooks how to make a chocolate cheesecake. Okay. Consonant. Consonant. J, j. Flowing words at the end of words. Juice, juice. Jury, jury. Genetic, genetic. Genetic, generic. Jump, jump. Japan, Japan. Junior, junior. Jack, Jack, Jacker. Giant, giant. Jackman, Jackman. Okay, in the middle. Algebra, subject, subject. Objective, objective. Subject, lesion. Digest, magic, magic, rejoice, educate, educate. At the end, as starts, reverse, now is, courage, please, page, pouch, range, range, courage, courage. Okay. Following Dion, you did a good job. I didn't play very well in the basketball game. So I did. You did a good job. But I didn't make any points. That's okay. You did a good job. Our team lost the game. But you did a good job. Well, I won quite the team then. Good, because you did a good job. Okay, goodbye.